In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Forms presentation effectively, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating with a colleague or sharing your form for feedback, the process is quite straightforward. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the free Microsoft 365 online website. This platform allows you to access a range of Microsoft services right from your browser, which is super convenient. Simply type in the URL in your web browser, and you'll be on your way to accessing Microsoft Forms and many other useful tools. Once you're on the website, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have a Microsoft account, use those credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one, which is a quick process. Signing in ensures that all your forms and changes are saved to your account in real time, allowing for seamless access and editing across different devices. After signing in, navigate to Microsoft Forms. This can usually be found in the list of available applications. Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool that lets you create surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms, providing a way to gather data easily and efficiently. Once you've accessed Microsoft Forms, you'll see a list of forms you've previously created, or you have the option to start a new one. For today's task, select the form you'd like to present. Simply click on the form's title or thumbnail to open it. With your form open, it's time to present it, which transforms your form into a presentation-ready format. Look for the Present button at the top of the page. Clicking it will enable presentation mode, which highlights your form in a full screen view, ideal for sharing during a meeting or a video call. Next, you'll need to generate a link to share this presentation with others. Look for the Copy Link button, often located in the toolbar or sidebar within the presentation mode. Clicking Copy Link generates a unique URL for your form in presentation mode. This is the link you will provide to anyone you wish to share your form with, ensuring they see the same presentation view. And that's it! By following these steps, you're now equipped to share your Microsoft Forms presentation seamlessly. Whenever you're ready to get feedback, share insights, or conduct reviews, this quick process makes it all happen smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to share the link securely, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.